GIANTmicrobes are a line of stuffed toys that resemble real microbes, and they're available in 3 sizes: standard, mini, and gigantic. How much is the GIANTmicrobes? GIANTmicrobes have a selling price that ranges from $9.95 to $19.95 depending on the type and size. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. We like that GIANTmicrobes come with a number of choices, from antibody to candida microbes. Kids can choose the small 3-inch minis or the gigantic 2 feet microbes. They even come with image and information, so they're also educational while letting kids have a lot of fun playing with them. Here's our conclusion. Finally, you can let your children play with microbes and even learn from them. Get GIANTmicrobes for your kids today. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.